Are you looking to launch your online business? Etsy is a perfect marketplace to get started. With a built-in audience of millions of shoppers, low overhead costs, and an established reputation, Etsy is a great platform to launch your business. Today, we'll walk through the basic steps of setting up your very own Etsy store. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is sign up for a new account on Etsy.com. Make sure to create this account with the credentials you want to use for your business. For example, if you've already set up a business email address. Once logged in, head over to your profile icon and select Sell on Etsy. This will start the Etsy onboarding questionnaire, which will help provide you with relevant resources for getting started. Go ahead and answer all their questions. Now it's time to choose your shop preferences. You can choose your language, currency, country, and set up any shipping and tax settings that apply to your shop. Then, pick a unique name that reflects your brand and the type of products you'll be selling. You'll want to pick something catchy and memorable that'll help you stand out in a busy Etsy marketplace. Once you've picked your name, it's time to add products to your shop. When you're first creating your store, it's mandatory to create one product listing. At this stage, we're just going to leave a placeholder because we'll add our products directly from Gelato after you've connected your store. Producing your products with Gelato means all you need to do is design them and add them to your store. When a customer places an order through your store, you'll sit back and relax while Gelato takes care of all the production and delivery directly to your customer. We'll cover how to integrate in another video linked below. Next, setting up your payments for both you and your customer. In Etsy, there are two different transactions that take place. One is from your customer to you when they purchase something in your store, and the other is from you to Etsy when they charge you for any listing fees or fees for selling on the platform. At this step, you fill in the information on how you want to get paid when a customer makes a purchase in your store. In the next step, you fill in your billing information. This is where you'll be charged for any of your Etsy fees. The easiest way to handle both transactions at the same time is by using Etsy Payments, which will allow you to offer several payment options to your customers, and Etsy will automatically deduct their fees from the amount your customer paid you. The balance funds will be deposited in your bank account later. Finally, you want to make sure that your shop is secured. Etsy offers several security features to help protect your account, including two-factor authentication and fraud protection. And that's it. You've now covered the basics of setting up your Etsy store, so go ahead and create your account. Of course, there are many more things you could do to optimize your store, but these are the very basics covered just so you have your account set up so you can integrate to Gelato. If you'd like to learn more about how to set up a great Etsy store, you can find more resources linked in our description below. The next step towards launching your business is to connect to Gelato and add your products. Head over to the next video to learn how. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, you can reach out to our team for support at hello@gelato.com. We'll see you in the next video.